Hi folks, well since lockdown's been going on I've started to make a few YouTube videos. Some of them silly, some a bit more informative, so I might make a few more. It might die into nothing, it might, you know, rival someone like PewDiePie, who knows. The series is going to be called Muffin Shed. Now my nickname is the Muffin Man from time immemorial. I don't even know where it came from. Anyway, today we're going to have a look at making a compound called manganese heptoxide. Now, manganese heptoxide is a very, very powerful oxidizer. This is its chemical structure. You have two manganese atoms bonded with a single bond in the middle to an oxygen atom, and then you have three double bonds on either side to the manganese, which makes it very, very unstable. And it's created when you mix concentrated sulfuric acid, which is a powerful oxidizer, with potassium permanganate, which is also a powerful oxidizer. So I'm going to show you how to make it, and I'm going to show you what it does. Now I've got my safety gear here, which is always useful. I've also got some baking soda solution here, just in case things go awry. So I'm going to show you how it's made. So the first thing you need is concentrated sulfuric acid. Now you might notice I'm not wearing gloves, and the reason being is sometimes with oxidizing agents you need to be careful wearing gloves because they can oxidize the gloves as well. So it's much better to have something you can pour over your hands instead of having gloves that set on fire. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to get some of the sulfuric acid. We're going to put it in this little ramekin here. And then we're going to get some of this. Now this is potassium permanganate. Now this used to be used for things like athlete's foot, I believe it was. It's also one of those things that can be used to ignite fires if you mix it with something like glycerin. So if I can get into the bloody packet. So what I'm going to do is take a little bit of the permanganate, put it into the sulfuric acid. Now normally potassium permanganate is purple. However, when you mix it with sulfuric acid, you can see that's now gone a dark green, and that is the manganese heptoxide that's formed. And the thing is with manganese heptoxide is because it's so reactive and so volatile, I'll just screw the cap back on here just for good measure, it doesn't want to exist and it wants to oxidize anything, so strip off any OH ions. So anything with carbon in it, it wants to destroy. So I've got one of Mrs. Muffin's cotton pads here. I'm going to show you what happens when I just put a little bit of this in there, and I'm just going to stand back for this because it is pretty violent. So any organic compound will end up like that. So we're just going to do another quick experiment, and this time we're going to take the sulfuric acid, we're going to make a little bit more manganese heptoxide. not a lot. Again, you can see that dark green colouring forming. But this time, I'm going to drip some isopropyl alcohol into it. And we'll see what happens. And there you go, ladies and gentlemen. That is manganese heptoxide. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back soon with some other crazy stuff.